Now, science, Eric, okay,
Yeah.
is an evolving art.
Sure.
Did I something here? You know, and things that we believed 50 or 100 years ago have been debunked. Okay?
Some of them, sure.
A lot. Let me just give you, I mean, medicine I know more about than probably.
Yes, you do. I should have told the camera that you are a well-respected medical professional. You are.
But there was a time where ulcers, I'm going to take that,
Yep.
considered caused by stress. They were considered, you know, driven by anxiety, all kinds of things.
Yep.
And then kind of like, and believe me, he was ridiculed. Kind of this freaky scientist came up and said, I think it's really caused by some bacteria.
Yeah.
And everybody said, poo, 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 what you know, and all the gastroenterologists in the world thought the guy was a nutcase. Guess what? He was right.
Good on him.
So, scientists that you're referring to are sort of right. They're probably well intended, although academic scientists in general, whether they're medical and others,
Yeah.
are interested in making themselves to be very right. They love to come up with finds. They love to be recognized for their discoveries. They do, because it's a human characteristic.
Sure.
And if it wasn't there, people wouldn't be trying to advance knowledge, okay?
Right.
So you take it with a little bit of CIA, I don't trust any more than I trust Congress or the president or anyone else.
All right, I can't discuss, I'm not an expert on the CIA, I can't discuss their merits, but I pointed them out because they were in a list of other agencies like NASA and the National Science Foundation and the Departments of Energy and Commerce and the State Department, who have all come to the same conclusion, which is just that human beings are causing climate change.
I'm not saying that they're wrong, but all I'm saying is anytime a human is involved, there may be political agendas.
Sure. So can I reframe your question?
Huh?
So let me reframe your question so I think I understand it. It's basically that science evolves, which it definitely does. We're always learning more and revising what we've figured out in the past. And so if scientists are wrong about this one, they could be completely wrong, and it could be perfectly fine, and we were just being alarmists for no reason. Is that more or less what you're getting at?
Well, that could be, or the other thing is that they come with a very simple quid pro quo. It's more carbon, therefore it's more. But it may be, maybe the answer is 10% that, or 50%.
Okay, I like that you're going to percentages now.
Isolating, now that may be the only thing we can do anything about. Okay.
Well, we'll get to what we can do about it in a second, but I like that you went to percentages there. So
if there's no way of knowing, because science isn't there, whether there are other factors,
what?
Is it caused by some internal heating of the planet?
Why don't you think science is there? Why don't you think this is knowable?
Because I don't think they really know. I think they can only come up with pieces of it right now.